Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you 2 ways to fix iPhone stuck on black screen with spinning wheel. So the first thing we can do is try force restart the iPhone. To do that with models that support iOS 16, you need to press and quickly release the volume up button. Next, press and quickly release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, don't let go. Let it turn off again, and when you see the Apple logo again, release the side button to allow it to boot. For force restart instructions for iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, or iPhone SE, first generation, models that don't support iOS 16, see the iOS 15 version of this page. If your iPhone isn't working as expected after you restart it, then restore your iPhone using iTunes. To do that, you need a Mac or PC with iTunes software pre-installed. Firstly, open iTunes on your computer. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer with a lighting cable. While your iPhone is connected, follow these steps. On an iPhone 6s or earlier, including iPhone SE, first generation, press and hold both the home button and the side button or the top button at the same time. Keep holding the buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. On an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding the buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. On your iPhone 8 or later, including iPhone SE, second and third generation, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding the buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. After that, go to iTunes and click on Restore. If you don't have a computer and you can't borrow one, you need to go to an Apple retail store or Apple authorized service provider for help. That's it guys. Hope this is useful.